Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so the thesis here is that we might be in trouble. If we didn't take profits here when it was $82, $83 almost, that this was the A, this was the B, and this was the C. Now, I don't know where are my... Okay, so if this is the top, then now we start to have 5 wave down. As you can see, 1, 2. Honestly, here I'm not sure if this was maybe the third wave instead of here. It was here. If I zoom in, we could say this was an ABC. And so this could be an A, B, and a C. So third wave, maybe perhaps I can put it here. This was the fourth, and this is the fifth. And so 5 wave down, what happens when we have 5 wave down? Well, kind of direct the market trend. And so for the moment, if I can count this as a wave 1, and so I'm expecting now a bounce to the upside, but this would be just a counter movement. And these are the levels that I'm checking. So we have DMA 200, we have DMA 50, I believe, and this one I don't even remember what was it. So this is DMA 21. This is 50, 200. So, you know, 77,541. You know, I think this is going to be another level where I'm going to take more profits, because I do believe that we're going to go way, way lower. And buying Bitcoin at 40K, 45, even 35K, for me, is very possible. And I'd rather have some cash flow and enjoy that shopping time if it ever happens. And as we all could see, I had an alarm here. This is crazy. At the money, it keeps going higher. Unbelievable. So as you can see now, it did reach, it triggered my alarm. So I am going to check now the $171 and see. So I'm going to check really, really, really closely what's happening with that. So back to our Bitcoin here. No, it wasn't that one. Yeah, so ideally though, you know, this micro counting, because once again, I mean, I could even leave this as a A, overshooting with B and a C, and it would be fine. And anyway, I need to, well, this micro counting doesn't really matter, but you know, the bigger picture, we already have 5 waves. Ideally, we'll go a little bit lower to have a very nice 5th wave. As you can see, when I zoom in, these 5 waves here is just barely a lower low, which is fine. But ideally, you know, we could go and touch the uptrend channeling that we're doing, and you know, find support there and then go higher. And yeah, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share for the moment. Let me double check just the RSI. So we were oversold. Stock RSI, it didn't reset yet. So, you know, ideally, if someone want to jump in, you would want to wait and maybe wait for the stock RSI to reset as well and be oversold at the same time as the RSI, and ideally touching that that line, trend line as well. So this is pretty much all I want to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.